Hello, yes, hello to you and you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Stacy E. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So today's video is a new one. I'm about to do something that I've never done in my life, doing someone else's hair. So this is my first time. The only time I attempt doing something like this when I was in my early teen, and I did it with my elder sister, and I almost got killed. So this is my second attempt. I may say, let me just say this is my second attempt. And my friend trusts me enough to touch her hair. So anything happened, I want to see her smiling all through. Either if the hair looks so ugly or not. But if it's my own hair, I can deal with it. So this is my first time doing someone else's hair. So bear with me. So without further ado, let's get the video starting. Let me introduce my model of the day. So here she comes. So this is my model of the day. So this is the hair, you can see. So this is our hair right now. The hair is already stretched out so that we can maneuver with the hair. Okay, you can see this thickness. See here, this thickness. Ha! Hey, Lord have mercy on me today. So right now I'm about to section the hair and parting it down. I will use the rubber band method to follow up with. Okay. So I would advise anybody, if you're trying to do the knotless box braid, you need to stretch your hair out first so it will be easy for you. Let me tell you quick something. She used my natural herbal infused hair growth oil. I will leave the link below where you can get the oil. Okay, it's a very beauty. I will leave my Instagram handle so that you can check it out if you want to purchase. Okay, patronize a sister.